Well, hey, good morning. We're going to continue on this plane today. It's Saturday the 2nd, I think. It's raining in middle Georgia. So, one thing I realized is on the wings, if you saw the previous video, whenever I get that edited, it's missing the wing bolts. So I bought this from Horizon. I sent them an email. We'll see what happens. I bought some from Amazon, M6x25. That may or may not work, but if they don't, I can return them. And we'll see what Horizon says. But so this is dry, ready to glue the elevator in. I've already pre-taped the edge of this to save a little bit of time. This is for the epoxy in case it comes out. So we'll just continue working. So we're going to slide this in here. All the way down. All the way back. I put on my glasses because I can't see up close. We're going to trace all over the edge. Cut just below it. Oh, this is the wrong thing. This is with this is a dry erase. So it's easy to remove. But anyway, draw around the border, the edge, cut just below it, make epoxy, fill this gap up well with epoxy, brush some onto the, we're going to cut just below what we marked, take that covering off, brush some epoxy on that also, squeeze it in, make sure it's 90 degrees, got a triangle right here. And then leave it alone for tomorrow. Or till next time I can work on it, which I really don't know. So that's marked. Here's my X-Acto knife. You see the way it came out? So now I'm going to sit here and cut it and remove it just below the line. Alright, so we're going to clean off our marker. I got alcohol over here. And clean our surfaces, mix our glue, put it in. Alright, so I got my stir stick and a brush ready. So time to mix the epoxy. This is 30-minute epoxy. It gets pasty way before the 30 minutes. Put it in. Stuff's gonna squeeze out, it'll be fine. We'll clean it off. Push it all the way back. You really don't have a lot of room to mess this up. Not that you couldn't, just not a lot of room to mess it up. So we did have a fair amount come out. I don't know if it comes out on video, but that's good because we got plenty of glue. That's 90 degrees. Sure looks that way to me. Yeah. Yeah, so this is basically perfect. So all I gotta do now is, well, I'm not sure. Take this tape off. This rear edge. Looks like I need to pull it over some. Right there. Not even there. All right. Six millimeters there. 6.5. All right, we got it. Took forever, but we got it. So let's put this here so it doesn't move. All right, so I'm not fussing with it no more. All right, so the only thing I'm gonna do left to do today is I'm gonna get put the hinges in the elevators and the rudder. So I got that done. So that come later on today, or not today, but tomorrow. It's just I only have to put it into the stab and the rudder. And then that'll be it. Well, that'll be it for this part. So it's just like I did it in for the ailerons. So I'm not gonna show me doing that because it's redundant. And then whenever I move on, we'll go from there. We'll see. I go back to work Sunday. I don't know when I'll have time to come back to the build, but whenever I can, I'll come back. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.